Hello, in front of me I've got Mafia 3. In this video I'll show you how to check and get assets upgrades. Throughout the gameplay, you'll claim many assets. Those assets can be upgraded. In order to do it, let's go to Menu and go to Assets. Select the asset, go to Rockets and Intel, and here are the associates and upgrades. Right here you can check available upgrades or money earned for the associate. The more money you earn for the associate, the better upgrades you'll unlock. You can earn money by finishing the missions. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.